Hydrogen water resource engineering. Next topic, drought. Drought is defined as the period in which a region has a deficit in its water supply, whether surface or underground water. A drought can last for a month or year, or may be declared after a few hours, 15 days. Generally, it occurs when the region receives consistently below average precipitation. A drought is the extended period of dry weather resulting to extreme dryness. This results in a short fall of water supply, which has hydrological and agricultural impact. Drought is different from most other hazards as it develops slowly and creeping hazard. Aridity and desertifications are associated with the drought, but they are not the same. Drought is characterized by moisture level below normal for an area which is affected by drought. Some of the common definitions concepts are the World Meteorological Organization WMO. Drought means sustained extended deficits in precipitation, whereas in UN Conventions to Combat Drought Desertification 1994, drought means naturally occurring phenomena that exist when the precipitation has been significantly below normal record level, causing serious hydrological imbalance that adversely affect land resource production system. Next one, the Flood and Agriculture Organization FAO 1983 of the United Nations, the percentage of the year when crops fails from a lack of moisture. Next, what are the classification of drought? The drought are generally classified into 4 categories that include meteorological drought, agricultural drought, hydrological drought, and socio-economic drought. At first, agricultural drought. It is a drought occur when there is not enough water available for a particular crop to grow at particular time. It does not depends only on the amount of rainfall but also on the correct use of water. It is affected crop production. It is linked to various characteristics of meteorological and hydrological drought to agricultural impacts, focusing on precipitations, storage shortage, difference between actual and potential evapotranspiration, soil water deficit, reduced groundwater or reservoir level, and so forth. Next one, hydrological drought. The drought is brought about when the water reserves available in sources such as aquifers, lakes, reservoirs fall below the statistical average. It is associated with the effect of periods of precipitation shortfall on surface and subsurface water supply rather than with a precipitation shortfall. It is associated with the effect of period of precipitation including snowfall shortfalls on the surface or subsurface water supply, that is stream flow, reservoirs and lake levels. Groundwater. The frequency and severity of hydrological drought is often defined on the watershed or river basin scale. The effects of precipitation shortfalls on stream flow and reservoir, lakes, groundwater levels. Next one, meteorological drought. It is usually defined on the basis of degree of dryness in comparison to some normal or average amount and the duration of the dry period. The definition of meteorological drought must be considered as specific to a region since the atmospheric condition that results in a deficiency of precipitations are highly variable from region to region. The meteorological drought is brought about when there is a prolonged time with less than average precipitation. Next one, socio-economic drought occurs when physical water storage starts to affect people individually and collectively, or in other more abstract terms. Most socio-economic definitions of drought are associated with supply and demand of an economic good. Socio-economic, which means it is associated with the supply and demand of some economics good or services with element hydrological, meteorological and agricultural drought as well as. Next, the damage, direct loss of income, social dislocation, famine, malnutrition, death indirect, loss of rural and urban revenues, fire hazard, loss of water access. Drought causes can be classified into 2 ways. These are global warming, deficiency of rainwater, whether hot or dry, El Nino, soil erosion, overpopulation, overcultivation, deforestation, over extraction of groundwater, and politics, natural, human made. Next, what are the drought management practices are? causes the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. If there is an above average presence of dry, high pressure air system, less moisture is available for produce rain. Shifting of air mass. When winds shift air mass and warm, dry, conventional air moves over an area as opposed to cooler, moist oceanic air masses, the area suffered a drought. Human activities are deforestation for agriculture, overfarming, excessive irrigation, and construction of buildings. Next one, global warming. Overall, global warming will result in increased world rainfall along with the drought in some areas. Other causes are cloud and warm water ocean currents, mountain. Drought management system in India are flowcharts of drought declaration India, Government of India, Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperation, Central Drought Relief Commissioner, State Government, Chief Secretary, State Drought Relief Commissioner, District Collector, Taluka Development Office and Gram Panchayat. And these are all the groundwater management system which has been worked out in India for a period of time. Thank you.